What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Tellor TRB, which has finally hit a huge green candlestick in the last 24 hours. It is up just over 37%, currently trading at just over $61. Again, not just TRB but majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side today, as you guys can see here. However, just because they're on the green side, it does not mean that they're up, because there was a huge crash earlier on this week which did affect the crypto market in a negative way. Right now they are slowly starting to recover. However, I wouldn't say that they have recovered fully. They are just about starting to get recovered. So today's focus is on TRB, looking at, is this the right time to sell it, take out your profits? Is it time to buy it before it pumps up higher, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from TRB, and is a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Tellor, which is here in purple at just under $56. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier on today. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is not the case and it's not realistic at all. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting the crypto to have taken a step back down in value, essentially going through a little bit of a price correction, trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Dropping below $60 is where I'm expecting Tellor to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Again, it's pumped up quite a bit, and personally, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, the crypto is slightly overvalued and is due for a little bit of a dip. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Exact same, we've got both the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are still looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, Tellor should have again taken a little bit of a step back down in value, trading just over $60 is what I'm expecting. So essentially what should take place is over the weekend it should drop down to around $55 and then slowly starting to gain value early to mid next week and end of next week, heading over just over $60 is what my expectations are at the moment. Again, the crypto market was very volatile back in April last month, and this month I'm expecting it to slowly starting to recover, hitting more green candlesticks as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, which means it's much more realistic. So once again, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected from Tellor over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So essentially by mid to late June 2024, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over $75. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the green side for majority of, well, second half of May and June, which should again have a positive impact on the value of Tellor. Heading up over $75 to $80 in value is where I'm expecting it to be heading to by mid-year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. Well, there is not much analysis to do here. Reason being is when the crazy pump took place back in late last year, early this year, going over $600, guys, this has had a major impact on the Fibonacci scale because its highest value now is over $600, and right now is only trading at around $60. So it is still trading in the red zone and potentially likely to head a little bit higher up into the red zone over the coming weeks and so on. However, hitting the green zone is still got a long way, and I'm not expecting TRB to hit the resistance target anytime soon. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it over $107 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason being is quite obvious, the value of Tellor has pumped up like crazy as well earlier on this afternoon, which has had a major impact in the crypto market from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of Tellor stay around its current price range and essentially pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow, making it drop back down in value. Over the week, 5% up, as you can see, major drops here earlier on last week or even this week, and over the month it is down a massive 25%, as we did see a major crash here in early to mid-April, which again, as you guys can see, went from $87 all the way down to about $45, which was not too great. However, right now it is on its way to recovery and it should slowly start to recover. So yeah, can Tellor essentially hit the $100 mark anytime soon? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm predicting it to hit the $100 mark in Q3 of 2024. So over the coming months, I'm expecting it to hit the $100 mark. Comment down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.